Earn $2,000 plus per week in sales revenue with Graham's Franchises, South East Queensland. If you're ready to become your own boss and earn $2,000 plus a week in sales revenue, check out this great opportunity. You'll enjoy the backup of one of the longest running franchises in Queensland in cleaning, garden care, or car cleaning. Graham's has franchise opportunities available across South East Queensland and also offers in-house finance for incoming franchisees. Graham's has been established for over 26 years, with franchisees across the Sunshine Coast, Brisbane, and Gold Coast. This proven franchisor offers longevity and security, and your investment includes a full range of equipment to suit the franchise. Your clientele will include domestic and commercial customers requiring gardening, cleaning, or car cleaning services. No licenses, trade, special skills, or registration are required, just the desire to provide clients with outstanding service. Graham's offer 1 to 2 weeks training, plus an income guarantee program for all franchisees who join at gold or platinum level. No commission or sales-based fee is charged by Graham's, and franchisees earn $1,700 to $2,300 per week in sales revenue. The franchisor provides job leads and undertakes advertising and marketing activities for you, and franchises cost from $4,900 to $24,900. Several areas around South East Queensland are now available, and there are also some existing cleaning and gardening franchises for sale.